Here are top 5 powerful tornado that will leave you amazed.
If you think this cute sheep makes you smile, hit like and subscribe. And look at this poor dog standing in the rain, shaking and waiting for love. He has no one to care for him. If your heart feels sad for him, drop a heart emoji and say a small prayer in the comments.
Malden Center, Ontario. Little Missouri, North Dakota. Norman, Oklahoma City. Hallam, Nebraska. Rochelle, Illinois.
That is completely crazy.
And that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay curious, guys.